Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If you're already part of the family, then welcome back. Before this video continues, please be sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe down below. So today is a very exciting day for me. Yes, it's Friday, but I am getting my hair professionally retwisted today. Yay. The last retwist that I got done professionally was early March, before all this stuff started happening. So it's been 3 months and my loctician is back in business, so I am going to the shop. I am so excited. So I just wanted to show you all what my hair looks like before, and then then show you the results of my retwist. So if you can see, doesn't look too bad. I mean, my roots, I can feel my roots or whatever. My hair is just naturally thick, so it looks like this in a matter of like 4 weeks. It just gets all thick and whatever. So I wanted to give a closer look of my hair right now. So these are the roots right here. As you can see, my frizz is there. Yes, it is. This frizz is not playing no games, but the more frizz, the better. That means something is happening. Something's happening. So yeah, so that is what it looks like, and I shall be back with the results.